Okay, put on your game faces. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some extremely special guests. This is Brody and Belle, and they are adorable. Wow. Yeah. Okay, and today we are going to be making glitter slime. Well, they're going to be making it. I am supervising. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is you put your glue. You're gonna wanna just take the whole top off. Just squeeze it all in there. Just all of it. All of it. Just, we want it all in there. Oh, it's beautiful.
Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Let's go. Come on.
Wow, this is riveting content. You're doing great.
Thank you.
Just let me know if you need help. Oh my gosh.
And that is how you do it. Good job.
That is beautiful. This is going to be awesome.
I'm not even halfway through.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Here, let me help you.
Beautiful, sparkly.
Paper. I mean, not paper.
It has been.
We're pouring it in.
Okay, I haven't read any instructions on how to do this, so like, we're just winging it.
Nobody knows.
I think you're supposed to put like a tiny bit of baking soda in.
Let's get up.
Yeah, I probably should have looked up instructions, but you know, it's fine. We're just winging it. Okay, and then this is what makes it into slime. You add contact solution. I don't know how much we need, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. And we'll stir it and see what we need. Okay?
She said eyeball and there's context in your eyes.
Ah!
Oh!
Look, it's coming together. Oh my gosh. Stir it up, Brody.
Still sticky.
Still sticky.
Keep stirring it. The more you stir it, the less sticky it'll be. Nope, I'm not sure about anything. It looks really pretty.
I know. It's so pretty.
So we got, this is Brody's so far. And this is Belle's. It's just beautiful, honestly.
Ew, still so sticky.
No. Ah, it's so cool though.
Okay, this is really weird. Oh boy, it's still sticky.
Oh boy.
I got messy hands. Can you see them? Can you see them? Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Super.
Yeah, this may have been a mistake.
Tangled up.
Tangled, I love that movie.
Oh goodness, I love everything.
Let's go.
Woo!
Bye.
Oh, how am I gonna turn the sink on?
We lost Brody.
Gonna have to turn it off.
This is pretty darn cool.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do that.
So sparkly and pretty.
You said it was gonna be small.
I know, I thought it was going to be.
Well, I'm gonna play with mine.
So, we made slime, and this is what it looks like. It's sparkly and beautiful. And, should they like this video? Should we tell them to like it?
Yes.
So, Belle thinks you should like this video and subscribe. Yeah, that's about it.
Just
Can
call
I
us
play with
sparkle farts.
See ya.
Literally.
See ya.
Call me golden turd.
See ya.
Call me golden turd.
I don't know what's happening, but bye.
Double wide quick stop midnight.